The video is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called the Fast Downloader. The developers of this extension indicate that Fast Downloader is an extension that will help you download files from the websites you browse. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that this extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Fast Downloader extension shows ads which are not really decent, so don't tolerate them. Don't install this extension. If it was mistakenly added to your browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. To remove any third-party extensions, what you should do is access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, so disable and remove this extension. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, we recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start investigating your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.